This is an era of enterprise innovation. New generation of information technology supports enterprise growth and progress. It is also the source of enterprise prosperity. Innovation means restructuring developmental capacity. Innovation means going up to the social level. Innovation means all-round breakthroughs. Innovation is the mission given to enterprises in the era of digital and intelligence. Today, not only enterprises, but also entrepreneurs need to break new ground. Enterprises need to achieve digital transformation and upgrade or create digital enterprises through the trinity of business, finance, and IT. Innovation is integrated into the entire enterprise life cycle. The growing enterprise business innovation platform, YonSuite, provides a fertile ground for growing enterprise innovation. Let innovation happen immediately and make innovation so convenient. Empower enterprises to reshape the mindset of management, business model, and organizational culture to win with an integrated platform of SaaS plus PaaS plus ecosystem. To decode the innovation password for growing enterprises with 532, provide enterprises with an innovative infrastructure of digital intelligence, an innovative cloud-native and microservice-based architecture, innovative application scenarios of online management and operation, an innovative mobile office portal, an innovative low-code development platform, and an innovative all-in-one service platform, YonYo plus ecosystem. YonSuite teams up with innovative enterprises. Let anyone in enterprises, regardless of supervisors, employees, customers, and partners, participate. Incorporate innovation into every corner of the enterprise and make innovation everywhere. Help enterprises achieve online operation. Keep everyone connected with the cloud. Help enterprise activate socialized and globalized business by horizontal and vertical interconnection, internal and external integration, and open connection. Based on the digital and intelligent infrastructure, YonSuite gives growing enterprises the driving force for innovation.